Let's give a applause, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much, Rehan. For the same, so we would like to invite Excellencies to return to the stage. Well, maybe photographers here, you may now take your stand. Yes, Dr. Hussain. Be on the stage, and then we invite, after this, we come down so that we invite the rest to join. And now we invite the members of the Diplomatic Corps and agency representative to also join. Mr. Bernard, please. And delegates. No delegates. No delegates.